Dear students, happy morning. Generally, when we meet people, we used to say good morning, good evening, and so on. But when I meet people, I used to wish happy morning, happy evening, happy noon, and so on. Why? Because I wanted every child, every student, every person must be happy on all occasions at all times. That's why I am once again wishing you happy morning, all of you, my dear young students. And you are at different places, you are at your home during this unexpected situation. And on this day, I would like to interact for a few minutes to explain you or to motivate you or to inspire you with a title. My dear young children, you are born to win. Remember, you are born to win. You have goal. So your goal is, your immediate goal is, your short-term goal is to get good rank in the coming NEET examination in order to get an admission in MBBS in a medical college. That should be your goal. With that purpose only, you have taken BPC group and you have been studying intermediate with BPC group. And in order to achieve that goal, the first and foremost thing you should have is believe that you are born to win. You are not inferior to anybody. You are equally competent to get what you want in your life. Such a potential energy you have, such a tremendous energy you have. And then always remember a sloka which I learnt in my lower classes, taught to me by my Telugu teacher. That is, Amantram Aksharam Nasti, Nasti Moolam Anaushadam, Ayogyaha Purusho Nasti, Yojakas Tatra Durlabha. That means, Amantram Aksharam Nasti. You will not find any letter in the alphabets that is not useful to compose mantra. In a similar way, 5,50,000 plants, flowering plants are beautifully growing in the nature. Every plant has its own medicinal value. You may not be knowing, I may not be knowing. Like that, Ayogyaha Purusho Nasti. You will not find any human being who is incapable of doing wonderful things. Every human has unlimited power of thinking. You can do wonders. You can do miracles. You are not inferior to anybody. You are equally competent to get what you want in your life. Such a potential energy you have. Then you may raise doubts. If it is true, why everybody is not getting admission in medicine? The reason is Yojakas Tatra Durlabha. To identify the intelligence one has and to utilize it in a proper way is a difficult task. So once you realize that you are intelligent, once you feel that you are intelligent, nobody can stop your success. And remember, and the weight of your brain is equal to the weight of great people like C.V. Raman, like Dr. Yellapragada Subbarao, like Swaminathan, like Subramaniam Chandrasekharan, like Newton, like Thomas Alva Edison. When they did wonderful things, why can't you? Basically, you are an intelligent person. And so, and your birth is by chance, by chance or choice. You see, your birth is by chance. Out of crores of sperms, by chance one sperm united with the egg. That resulted your birth. But your life should not be by chance. Your life should be by choice. You have to choose what you want in your life. And choose, you have already chosen to take up your profession as a medical profession, a wonderful profession, a noble profession. And we are realizing how important doctor is today. Vaidyo Narayano Hari. And so doctor is comparable to God. When life is under threat, and the doctor is the only person who can save us. Our God has given life. But when that is in dangerous situation, and maybe by accident, maybe by disease, like this virus, Corona novel 19 virus, doctor can save us. Such a noble profession is medicine. You have already chosen to take up that profession. And to achieve that admission in MBBS, the first and foremost thing is have a belief in your capabilities. That what we call it as self-confidence. Have that self-confidence. Yes, I am capable of getting what I want in my life. So have that belief, what we call it as self-confidence. The first and foremost thing, you need to achieve your goal. You need to be successful person in the life is having a belief in your capabilities. That's why one Swami Vivekananda said, if you look at the history of this world is nothing but history of few people only having self-confidence. And if you have self-confidence, you can do wonders. And so all the great people, all the successful persons in the world are having highly confidence. So the first and foremost thing is have self-confidence. Once you develop self-confidence, the next thing you need is positive thinking. Always think in a positive way. Whatever I want in my life, I can get it. So that's what we call it as positive thinking. When you think positively, you can do wonders. Because yadbhavam tadbhavati. Your life is what your thoughts make it. When you think positively, you can achieve it. When you think negatively, you cannot achieve anything. Because a man is what his mind is. A mind is what he thinks. When you think positively, you can integrate massive amounts of information effortlessly into your brain. Always think in a positive way. That's why I use it to tell wherever I go, watch your thoughts. Why? Because your thoughts become your words. Watch your words. Why? Because your words become your actions. Watch your actions become your habits. Watch your habits become your character. Your character is your destiny. So always think in a positive way. You can create wonders. Look at the life history of His Excellency Dr. Abdul Kalam. He never thought he could not achieve what he wanted in his life. He was born in a poor family, but he passed away with rich virtues. So, but look at all this that is because of his positive thinking. So he never thought he could not become a scientist. He thought of becoming an aeronautical engineer or pilot. Better than that, he was the designer of Agni missiles, which could destroy the warplanes. Look, all this is because of his positive thinking. He knew that fact better than us. That's why wherever he used to go and used to explain to the student, he used to tell the student, my dear young students, come on, dream. Let those dreams transform into thoughts. Let those thoughts come into the action. India is going to become superpower by 2020. You will be the architects of this great mighty nation. By saying like that, he took his last breath. So how great person he is. He never thought in a negative manner. Like that, in inventing which metal was useful as a filament in the bulb, Thomas Alva Edison never lost the positive thinking. So he failed many times in inventing that. Ultimately, he only invented that tungsten was useful as a filament in the bulb because of his positive thinking. Abraham Lincoln lost many elections before he became the President of the United States of America because of his positive thinking. Always think in a positive way, proactively, and develop lateral thinking, develop possibility thinking. You can create wonders. After that, have a proper plan, and especially during this lockdown period, during this unexpected vacation, during this unfortunate situation. So you plan how to read, what to read, and and analyze your strengths and and your weaknesses, and find out the opportunities to overcome your weakness and to be strong enough in that particular subject to get through, and avoid possible threats that may be coming in achieving your goal. So then, and that's why after having a proper plan, so observe SWOT principle, that is analyzing your strength. Yes, W, weakness. Find out your weakness. O stands for opportunity, and what opportunities you have. All of your lecturers are available now on WhatsApp, on Zoom, and all other social media. So you can call them and get your doubts clarified, and ask your teachers regarding any doubts, or if you are not able to understand a particular concept, ask your teachers over phone or over WhatsApp, or through Zoom teaching, and they are ready to explain, they are ready to help you, because a teacher always ready to guide the student, help the student, and teacher feels very happy when his disciple or student gets what he wants. Next to your parents, your teachers are the most happy people when you achieve something. And that's why your teachers are always ready to help you and to guide you, and whenever, wherever you want. So, and now execute that plan with utmost confidence, and do it with positive thinking, and you will get what you want in your life. All the best. Utilize this unexpected vacation in a fruitful way, in such a way that will make you to get an admission in MBBS, and thus paving a way to enter in the medical college. God bless you. All the best.